In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add watermark to Tradingview background. If you've ever taken a screenshot, recorded your screen, or simply juggled multiple charts and lost track of what you are looking at, a watermark is a small touch that keeps your symbol and timeframe visible without getting in the way. Let's set it up together in a clean, distraction-free way. Start by opening your chart. Any symbol and any layout will do. With the chart in view, open the Settings panel. You can do this by clicking the small gear icon in the top right corner of the chart area, or by right-clicking anywhere on the chart's background and choosing Settings from the menu. Both paths take you to the same place. Inside the Settings window, look for the Canvas tab. This tab controls how the chart area itself looks, the background, grid, and, importantly for us, the watermark. Select Canvas to reveal those options. Find the watermark section. Check the box to enable it. If the option looks collapsed or hidden, click the drop-down arrow to expand it. You'll see choices for what information to show: the symbol name, the ticker, and the interval. The symbol name is the full instrument name. The ticker is the shorter code and the interval is your time frame, like 1D or 15 meters. Pick what's helpful for you the moment you check it. The watermark appears right on your chart so you can instantly see the effect. Next, tailor the look so it's present but not overpowering. Click the color box to choose a color that works with your theme. On darker charts, a lighter gray often reads well. On light charts, a medium gray can keep things readable without stealing attention. Then adjust the opacity slider. Lower opacity keeps the watermark subtle, so your candles and indicators remain the focus. The goal is to make the information glanceable, not loud, when you are happy with how it looks. Click OK to apply your changes. From here on out, the watermark will update automatically as you change symbols or switch time frames, so you'll always know exactly what you are viewing. And if it ever feels too faint or too strong, just return to the same Canvas tab to fine-tune the color or opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching.